It's time for me to call upon a women leader who began her career as a full stack engineer and now leads the technology division of a multinational that specializes in card payment services. Folks, please join me in welcoming Mr. Chika Penisar, VP, CTO Group, Head of Technology, India and Asia Pacific at American Express.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to another edition of the Times Group Tech Geeky Goddess event. I am here once again, fourth year in a row, coming and speaking to you about my personal involvement, American Express's involvement in this fantastic initiative, and why we come here every year. It's been an absolute pleasure these last 4 years. And as we've watched this space and participated in being a sponsor for this great event, we've seen it go from strength to strength. I'm personally very impressed with the how the Times Group tries to keep this interesting and fun for the people who register and participate and have the right set of awards year on year. We've seen the overall registrations of this coding competition actually quadruple since its existence and starting in 2016 to now, which I am told is 72,000 registrants in 2021, with over 28,000 women engineers participating in this coding competition. Why are we here? Why did I first come and speak to all of you in 2018? When we started to join hands with Tech Geeky Goddess, we were on a mission. We were on a mission to double the size of our team in the country. We were on a mission to quadruple the size of our leadership team in the country, and to truly embrace gender diversity in the technology space. And prove to ourselves and the industry that we can be a 50-50 diverse workforce. And I am so proud that the growth that the Tech Geeky Goddess event has seen over the years, and what we have seen fairly mirror each other. We have at American Express doubled in size in the country. We've quadrupled the number of leadership positions we have in country. We hire over 150 people from colleges every year, and we also come to this avenue and encourage women engineers to code and tap on their engineering muscle, and also hire them and make them colleagues within our organization. Year on year, we've done that, and I am extremely thrilled to also share that our representation numbers and gender diversity has only improved over the years, and we've gone from 26-27% female ratios to a fantastic over 40% of our colleagues being female over the last couple of years, and TechGig has been a fantastic partner in achieving that mission. So thank you everybody for that. As I come here and talk to you in this opening session, I do want to, encourage everybody to continue to be fantastic women engineers, hold the flag high, and continue to innovate and code. And please do not get deterred by the outcomes of these competitions. I really think that initiatives like this one are truly relevant and critical for balancing the situation that we have in the industry and continuously improving representation numbers in this very erstwhile male-dominated industry, as we all know. And so once again, big congratulations to everyone. An event like this is a win-win for both the Times Group as well as for industry, for companies like us, and for you participants. I think it's a fantastic avenue for you to meet new people, meet new companies, showcase your talent, give you increased exposure, give you increased reach, and truly, prepare yourself for the wonderful future that you may have ahead of you in due course. So onwards and upwards. Once again, huge congratulations for all of you finalists who've reached the stage. And I wish you a ton of luck through the course of today as we warm up to the actual finale and the results here. But best of luck, and once again, fantastic to be here.
Thanks, Ms. Ruchika Panesar. You're an inspiration for all the women technologies present here.